So good morning of all of you. How are you? Khushi?
Fine, sir.
Danish?
Good morning.
Hi, sir.
Great. So
Good
how
morning,
many?
sir.
Good morning. How many of you have fear of mathematics? Yes, Khushi.
No,
Danish. Danish, you are in which class?
Sir, 10th.
10. Khushi,
Yes, sir.
which class?
Sir, second standard.
Second standard. Great, but you have got good confidence. Vansh,
Thank you, sir.
Sir, 9.
9th. Okay. Daisy. Okay. Santosh. Swati. I think 3 kids have not joined yet. Not an issue. Okay. So Tanish, you know tables
Yes, sir.
up till which number?
Sir, 20. 20 to
Well,
25.
that's all. If I ask you to write a table of 89, how much time you need?
1 or 2 minutes.
1 or 2 minutes. So why you are saying you don't know tables? Okay, I'll give you a concept today with the help of which you will be able to write the tables within 10 seconds. So will it be helpful to you? Because you are going to for entrance examinations and all after this. So,
Yes, sir.
so many concepts would be there, but definitely here we'll be dealing with all the children right from the age of 8. So for that, I'll give you separate also. And like we'll be doing 2 digits here, so 3 digits here, so you can do with 4 digits also. Yes, Khushi, what about
Yes,
you?
Sir, I know 1,
Hmm?
2, 3,
Hmm?
4, 5, and 10, 11.
That's all. 9?
Yeah.
9?
9 also, sir.
9 also there. Okay. And what about Vansh?
Sir, 15.
You're in 5th standard. So how? So you know tables?
No, sir, I am in 9th standard and I know
Okay.
till 15.
Okay, you are in 9th standard. Great. So you know tables?
Yes, till 15.
Only 15. Again, the same
Yes,
question. If you have to write a table of 79, how much time you need?
Sir, 2 to 3.
2 to 3 minutes. So you'll be able to write those tables within 10 seconds after this workshop, within this workshop itself. I'm just waiting so that everybody joins and we can start with it, because then it will be very difficult to repeat again. Okay. So you're ready with your paper and pen now?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes,
That's
sir.
very good. So let's not wait for them then. If they have to join, they'll be joining in between. We'll take them that time. So let's come to the start of our, I'll just give me a second. So you have fear of maths or not?
No, sir.
Not at
No,
all.
sir.
Great. That
No,
should be the
sir.
spirit, because you cannot avoid maths at any stage of life. So maths is such a subject which we will be using at every point of time, because we cannot avoid money. So whenever money deal is there, we need to have maths with us.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So that is the first and foremost thing. So anybody cannot avoid this thing, doing maths. So we'll be learning Vedic mathematics step by step. And so how many of you are aware about Vedic mathematics? How many of you know what is Vedic mathematics? Yes, Tanish, Vansh,
No,
Khushi? Nothing.
Yes, sir.
Don't know anything about Vedic mathematics?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, welcome to the magic world of Vedic mathematics. Now, why I'll be calling this as magic? Because whatever
Okay.
we have been doing since long, see, you are doing, Tanish, from past 10 years. Vansh is doing from 9 years. What the others are doing from some age. But still, our mathematical calculations are slow. Agreed? Now, this subject will make your calculations fast within no time. So when you'll be able to do the calculation faster than calculator, will it not be a magic?
Yes.
So you want to
Yes,
see
sir,
that
it will
how
be.
you'll be able to do without a calculator more faster than a calculator.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So let's work together and do the best to learn. So the only thing is you need to participate. Every time, whenever we'll be asking some questions, you will be solving that. And for that, you need to participate. Whatever problem, whatever you think you don't know, whatever inquiry you have, whatever challenge you will face, you'll just ask the same moment. Just keep in mind, if one is asking, others will just wait for his or her turn. So let me introduce myself. I am Dr. Yogesh Chandna. I'm an international certified trainer for Vedic mathematics. I'll give you a brief detail after this. What is Vedic mathematics? Why should we learn? And also I am an author of book Learn Vedic Mathematics Step by Step. I'm an educator for last 24 years. I motivate people and help the children to remove fear of mathematics. So no fear after this. So this would be a curriculum what we'll be learning within these 2 days. So first would be introduction of Vedic mathematics, then how to use this tool as fast calculations. So we'll be also learning concepts of fast multiplication, writing tables of any number ending with 9, and writing any table of 2, 3, 4 digit in easy and faster manner. And we have an target, we have an objective that there should be a transformation of fear of mathematics to confidence. So how many of you feel you want to be more confident in mathematics? Yes, Tanish, Vansh, Swati,
Yes, sir.
Santosh.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I want to be.
Good. And you'll forget calculators after this, and you'll learn how to apply this Vedic mathematics to the real world situation. And the most important thing is you'll feel that I can. Till now, you sometimes feel that, oh, I cannot do this big calculation. For example, Tanish, if I ask you to write a table of 989, do you think is it possible?
No, sir.
No, it would be possible right now after this class. Okay. So we'll do give me a second. So this is, so we'll be learning this course, enjoying the games, but still it would be funny, but we'll still learn something out of it. Now, how many of you know what is this?
That is the game, sir.
Which game?
Tick-tock.
Yes, Tanish. Yes, Tanish, which is this game?
Tic-tac-toe.
Tic-tac-toe. Vansh,
Tic-tac-toe.
others? Okay. So now your work is to draw this. Can you draw this on your paper and pen?
Yes, sir.
Please, once you have done it, just let me know you've done it. Tanish, your camera is moving. What happened, beta? It's not stable.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
No, not
For
an issue.
disturbance.
You can keep it at
Sir,
table.
I'm done.
Done. Great. So let's start now. I'm moving to the other screen. Yes. So have you drawn this?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let us write 1 to 9 in this, but follow this as I am doing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So we'll write in from right hand side corner. We'll move this way. We'll move to the middle one, and then we'll move this way. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Done? Any doubts?
No,
Up till
sir.
here?
No. No, sir.
Correct. Now, let us say we have to write a table of 19. I'll just start with 19, a very simple number. Now we
Sir,
just
are you
have,
sharing the screen? I'm not able to see the screen.
who is not able to see the screen?
Me, sir, Swati.
Everybody is able to see. Check your, because screen sharing is common. Or your network is not there. Is every
It's
child-
okay, sir. It's okay. Continue, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Yes, beta.
You just watch. You just watch.
Nothing, sir.
Tell me, you are able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
What is written on the screen?
Numbers on the grid.
Numbers on the grade.
Yes. Right. Now, let us say we have to write a table of all 19. I'll start with very small number and then we'll go up till 3-digit numbers also. We'll go up till 999, any number you think of. What I have to just see what number, if this number at unit place is 9, correct? This is a unit place.
Yes, sir.
Whatever number is other than this, other than 9, I'll just write over here. Perfect. Now, what numbers have to be written here?
Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I can understand you know the table of 19. So, but let me clear the concept. Now,
Yes, sir.
even that is wrong. So here, whatever this number is, we just have to add 1 to it. Now, what is the new number? 1 plus 1?
2.
What is 1 plus 1?
Sir, 2.
Yes.
2.
Now we have to add this 2 to every digit. So this one plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is
5.
5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 2 is 13. 15. 17. I just have to note this thing ki while going upwards it was this direction, but when I'm coming down I am moving this way. So what is this? 19 ones are 19, 19 twos are 38, 57, 76. What is this? Yes, Tanish.
Table.
Table of what?
91.
91.
Oh, sorry. 19. 19. Sorry.
Got it. Yes, Khushi, Vansh.
Yes,
Table
sir.
of 19.
Is it clear? or any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Clear.
this is a table of 19. Now let's, Khushi, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt on this?
No, sir.
Okay, let's say if I have to write a table of 29 now. See, very simple. You don't have to do very simple. I'll just give you the hint. Somebody is joining now. The only thing I have to do is, now the number is 29. So I'll start with 29. But now what I have to add? So what is the new number, Khushi? 2 plus 1 gives me?
3.
Yes. So I have to add 3 to every number. So 2 plus 3 gives me? Yes, tell me, what is 2 plus 3?
5.
What is
5.
5 plus 3?
5 plus 3 is 8.
8 plus 3?
11.
11 plus 3?
13.
14.
14.
14 plus 3?
3 plus 3.
17.
17 plus 3?
20.
20 plus 3?
23.
23 plus 3?
26.
So what is this now? It's a table of 29.
29. 29 tables.
So how much time we took?
Only 20 seconds.
Yes, this 20 seconds because we were discussing. So when you will be able to understand this concept, you can write table of any number ending with 9. Khushi, is it clear?
Yes,
Is it-
sir.
So can you write a table of 39 now? How many of you can write? Once you can write?
Yes, sir.
Right, 20.
Sorry.
39. 29.
Now I want a table of 39. Can we write?
Yes, sir.
Please write down and let me know. Yes, who attended? Sanmita. Who's this?
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
Sanmita.
Sanmita. Okay. Your daughter of Sudha.
Yes, sir.
Why are you late, beta?
Sir, actually, I didn't know the class was.
Okay. So we did a concept of understanding numbers 9. Do you know this thing or should I explain again?
I don't know this.
Okay, I'll just repeat for you. Others complete the table of 39 by this time. See, Sanmita, what we have to do is, this is, I'll be sharing the video also later on. The very first thing is we have to make a grid. Now this is what you have to draw. Step 1. Can you draw this?
Yes, sir.
Please draw. You draw and then I'll let you know one by one.
Yes, sir. Done.
Done. Now we have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in this direction. So this is the direction we are following. Can you just write down this?
Yes, sir.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's say first number is 19. Now 9 is at which position?
Ones place.
Yes, unit place. So we'll just keep that constant, and whatever the other number is, that is 1. So we'll start with 1. We'll write down 1 at the first position, topmost position. Up till here clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, what about the other numbers? What we have to fill here? Sorry, let me. So now the point comes, what to be filled here? To fill here, whatever this number is, just add 1 to it. So when we add 1 to it, it becomes 1 plus 1 becomes.
2.
So this 2 is to be added everywhere. So 1 plus 2 gives me.
3.
In which class, Anmita?
I'm in 7th.
Okay. 3 plus 2 gives me.
3 plus 2, 5.
5 plus 2 gives me.
7.
7 plus 2 gives me.
9.
9 plus 2 gives me.
11.
11 plus 2 gives me.
13.
13 plus 2 gives me.
15.
And 15 plus 2 gives me.
17.
So what is this?
19.
So how fast we have written it? No need to add 19, 19 again and again. Just as simple as that. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, if have you noted it down?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's say we have to do 29. So what will be there? This number would be replaced 2. So I have to start with 2 now. What will come here? That would be 2 plus 1 makes. Give me a new number.
3.
Yes, so 3 number is to be added everywhere. 2 plus 3 gives me.
5.
5 plus 3 gives me.
7. Sorry. 8.
8 plus 3.
12.
What
12.
happened? 8 plus 3, 12.
No, 11.
11 plus 3, 14. 14 plus 3,
17.
17 plus 3,
20.
20 plus 3,
23.
23 plus 3.
26.
So what is this now?
Table of 29.
Yes, the only thing is you have to see this way. 29 ones are 29, 22 is 58, 3 is 87, 4 is 116, 5 is 145, 6 is 174, 203, 232, 261, and last you all know first with 0 ending.
Yes, sir.
So any doubts now?
No, sir.
Now write down the table of 39.
Yes.
Can you write?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, once you have written.
Yes, sir.
Khushi?
Yes, sir. I'm done.
Done. Great. So can you tell me what is 39 table?
Three plus
Hmm?
39,
Hmm?
78, 111,
So what you did? What you did?
104.
How much you added?
How did you do that? You have to explain
Mm,
what you added to 3.
Why you
I
added 4?
Why you added 4, sir, is asking.
हिंदी में बोल लो, कोई बात नहीं. Tell me.
No, she only knows Kannada and English. You added 3 plus 1 and you got 4. No, that you have to say.
I
Ma'am,
added
not
1
a issue,
plus
she'll
3,
understand.
I got 4.
Okay. So now you are clear? Yes, Tanish.
Yes, sir. Written.
So you did you knew this method of finding a table, writing a table?
Yes, sir.
You
In
are
just
clear?
5 seconds.
No, no, you have done in 5 seconds. Before this class, you were knowing
Yes,
this
sir.
concept.
No, sir.
See how easy your calculations will now. See, there are a lot of
So,
benefits with Vedic mathematics. We'll understand everything right now. So 11,
yes, sir.
14, right? You are clear now. Vansh,
Yes, sir.
yes, Vansh, you were knowing this method earlier,
No, sir.
but is it tough?
No.
Is it easy or tough?
No, sir. It is easy, very.
So if we knew this method earlier, our calculations would have gone very fast earlier.
Yes.
So we were missing something, right?
Yes.
Okay. So now doubts are clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Anyone has a doubt now?
No, sir.
Good. Very good, beta. Sanmita, are you able to write?
Yes, sir.
So any table now you want, you feeling now 89 I asked. So can you write 89 also? Yes, Vansh, yes.
Yes, sir.
89 is tough.
Yes, sir.
So now how much time you need for 89?
So just 5 seconds.
So that means from 120 seconds you have come down to, because you told me 2 minutes.
Yes,
So
sir.
how much speed?
So quite 90%.
So that's, I think, a good achievement. And we have
Yes, sir.
gone only 29 minutes. Only one concept we
Yes,
have
sir.
learned. So okay, let's write a table of 89. Then we'll move to 3-digit number also. Yes, tell me,
Oh,
all of you. Three-digit number. Khushi, what happened, beta?
I'm not doing it.
Why? What happened?
Sir, I'm not getting of 98 tables.
I'm asking 89.
Sir,
89, beta.
It's like she's finding it difficult to add like 18 plus
Okay,
9.
okay. Okay, no, not an issue. See, 89 means we have to add 9. It's not an issue with because your age, as per your age, you need not to learn more than 99. But I'll just give a brief on 3-digit also, so that concept should be clear. Yes, Vansh,
yes, sir.
Tanish, you have done.
Yes, sir.
Khushi, you write down 49.
49 tables.
Okay, sir.
You write down in the meantime. Yes, Sanmita.
yes, sir. Done.
Yes, sir. I've not yet done.
Daisy, Santosh, Okay. So now that means we can write tables from, see, this was the concept to write a table with digits
4 plus 1.
4 plus 1 is
of numbers ending with 9. Correct? So ending with 9 means I can write a table of 9, I can write a table of 19, I can write a table of 29, 39, 49, 99. Yes. So is it all? No. You can write a table of 3-digit number also. 109, 119, up till 999, and further up till any digit with number ending with 9. So it could be any number. Let's say an example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So only thing is you should know addition. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sanmita?
yes.
Vansh?
Yes, sir.
Great. So finding a table is easy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 89 done? Or we have to repeat?
Yes.
Any
No,
doubts
sir,
in
done.
89? No.
No, sir.
No,
No
sir.
doubt.
So we'll try just one number of 3-digit. Let's take a very simple example. We'll take an example of 109, or let it be 119. Now similarly, at first position both the numbers will come. Now 11 plus 1 makes 12. So that means we have to add 12 to every digit. So 11 plus 12 gives me 23. 23 plus 12 gives me 35. 35 plus 12 gives me 47. 47 plus 12 gives me 59. 59 plus 12 gives me 71. 79. 1 plus 12 gives me 83. And then it gives me 95. Gives me 107. Yes, Vansh, Tanish, Samnita,
Yes, sir.
is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Lipika is joining now. We will not repeat this topic, but yes, we'll move further. Any doubts up till here?
No, sir. No doubt.
Lipika, you are late. What happened?
Sorry, sir. The net was not there, sir. Current was
Okay.
not there, sir.
Okay, we have covered one topic. We have covered one topic. So that I'll explain you later. So one topic is done, writing tables with number ending with 9 in just 10 seconds. Correct? So now you can continue. So this topic is clear, or anybody wants any question? Anybody has any question on this topic?
No, sir.
It was a easy.
Yes.
It's funny. It's game. See, Vedic maths is, now you got the reason why I told Vedic mathematics is magic. Because it gives you speed. And apart from speed, there are many benefits which I'll discuss after this. So let's come back to our screen. Okay. Give me a second. So we did, this was a magic box we draw, then we wrote 1 to 9, starting from lower right hand corner, correct? In the form of, and then we can, this is how you write a table of 9. Now in case of 9, what is the number before 9 at tens place? That is 0. So that means new number would be 0 plus 1, that is 1. So we'll be adding 1 every time. So 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81. Is it clear? Are you, anybody has a doubt on this?
No.
Got it? Okay. This was writing a table of 19. So we wrote this way. $29, we have done it. Okay. So coming to the next part. How many of you are clear about the term place value?
Sir, me.
So how many digits come at one place value?
Only one number.
Very good. Yes, Vansh?
The one digit. Only one.
Tanish? Lipika?
Only one digit.
Lipika? She's gone. Lipika, are you able to hear? So this is the concept which you have to remember, and your whole Vedic maths would be done. We can have only one digit at one place. That's all. If you understand this thing, your entire Vedic maths is done. नींद आ गया खुशी? Feeling bored?
No, sir.
Then I'll give you one multiplication trick now after this. So let's, okay, now coming back to, how many of you can write the table of 88 or 87? Okay, Khushi, for you 13.
Sir, I don't know.
I will teach you, don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you know, everybody knows table up till 1 to 9.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 13 is not tough.
Sir, I don't know 6, 7, and 8.
You have to do. I asked first thing. See, for Vedic mathematics, you have 2 eligibilities only. So what are those?
Okay, sir.
One is, see, what is eligibility to learn? You know what do you mean by eligibility?
No,
One
sir.
is tables up till 8. Why I'm saying 8? Because 9 we have learned the math. Correct. 9 is just a game for us now. And second is single digit addition. See, we were adding only single digit. 8 plus 9, 9 plus 8. This was what we were doing. So if you know these two things, you can write any table. Don't say I cannot write 13. I'll show you how. Yes, Vansh, Tanish. How much
Yes,
time
sir.
you need to write a table of 87?
5 to 6 minutes.
Kindly note down this time. You are saying 5 minutes means 300 seconds.
Yes, sir.
Tanish, what about you?
Yes, sir.
How much time you need to write a table of 87?
So 15 seconds, 15 or 20 seconds.
Seconds.
Yes, sir.
Great. Sanmita?
This method.
Sir,
How much
2 to
time
3
you?
minutes.
Okay. And what about you, Lipika? Lipika, you are not getting my voice. I'm not audible to you. Okay, let's learn this also. So after this, your fear of tables would be gone because nothing would be left behind. Now you have learned tables of numbers ending with 9. Now let's start with all other tables. I'll start from very simple one, 13. So how do we write generally? We write 13, then we add 13 to it. That gives me 26. Then we add 13, it gives me 39. Then we add 13, it gives me 52, and so on. Yes, Tanish, we follow this procedure?
Yes, sir.
Now, in Vedic mathematics, you have to follow a different method. What is this? This is at which place value?
Sir, 1.
3.
3 is at
Ones place.
unit place. And 1 is at tens place.
Tens
Correct?
place.
Now, let us write the tables separately. What is table of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. Okay. And what is the table of 3? It is 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Is it clear
Yes.
up till here?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Khushi. Is it clear
Yes,
up till
sir.
here?
Yes, sir.
Now, what you have to see here, both the numbers at their positions. One is at unit 1, so we can write down as it is. This we can write down as it is. We are just combining the digits. But problem arises, here we have 2 digits at unit place. What you told me, Khushi, we can have only 1 digit. You told me or not? So why 2 here? So what should I do? I move this to here. So 2 is here. 1 goes with the 4. So 4 plus 1 becomes?
5.
See, I have not added 39 now, 13 now. I've just added 4 to 1. 5 is constant. This one I shift here because I have an extra digit in the unit place. I cannot have 2 digits. This is what you told me. You told me, na?
Yes.
So what it becomes? 65. 8 remains
Yes,
here.
sir.
What 6 plus 1 gives me?
7.
So what is this now?
Table of 13.
91.
Yes, but what is this? This is a table of 13. So how much time, Tanish, now will take?
So that much only 15 seconds, 15 to 20 seconds
So
only.
now is it something rocket science which I told you?
Yes, sir.
It was rocket. Was it something difficult?
No, sir. It
No,
is
sir.
not difficult.
See, the only thing is we have not been taught these concepts. It is so
Yes, sir.
easy. Is it not easy?
Yes, sir. It is easy.
See, you are in a 10th class. So up till now, I can agree that writing a table of 13 is not a big issue. But writing in a,
Yes, sir.
what happens is, have you given NTSC or Olympiad examinations?
No, sir.
You've never given?
No.
Okay. Any entrance exam you are preparing for?
So I'm preparing for how I can say that,
Not an issue. See, what happens in any entrance exam, we get less time and more questions. Correct? Now to solve those questions in faster manner, we have to have some tools. So Vedic mathematics is the best tool to solve any question fastly. Got it? So now, Khushi, is it clear to you now?
Yes, sir.
So now you don't say I don't know tables. Now you can write table. 23 you can write now.
Yes, sir.
You write down table of 23. Others can write table of 87. See what problem arises. Okay, I'll teach. 87. So what is 8? Table of 8? 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. I'm just going up till 6 steps here. 7 means 14, 21, 28, 35, and 42. Again, the same concept. I have one digit. Okay. As it is, I can just write down. Here, I have 4 at unit place. Done. What happens here? 1 goes this side. So what it becomes? 16 plus 1 is? Yes, Tanesh.
17.
How easy it has become. Earlier, you were adding 87 plus 87 every time. Now you're just adding 16 to 1. Here it becomes 1 and 24 plus 2 becomes 26. One thing is all your silly mistakes have gone because you are not adding bigger numbers. You are adding only single digit numbers. Three, 4, 8, 4, 3, 5, 5, 2, 2. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Yes, Vansh.
So like
Yes.
when she is writing now, as you show, when she's writing two, should she write like 2, 3, 4, 5 for 23 tables? The table of 2 should be written at the tens place.
At the tens place, table of 2 would be written. At the unit place, table of that would be written. And then it would be done.
Oh, okay.
Yes, anyone has a doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So clear. Now you can write down any table.
Yes, sir.
So fear
Yes,
of
sir.
maths gone because tables are considered to be the difficult part. Sanmita,
Yes.
are you able to write now?
Yes, sir.
Vansh, Lipika,
Yes.
okay. So should we move to the next topic? Great. So this was what we did to write a table of 23. You can, Khushi, see, this is table of 23. You can print screen this. Or later I'll send the notes, I'll send the homework. You have to do it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you will, so see, Up till now, have you realized that this is just like a magic? So now
Yes,
one
sir.
thing you should know, who is behind this? Who is the person who was behind this beautiful subject, the magical subject? So please write down. Father of Vedic mathematics is Jagat Guru Swami Bharti Krishna Tirath Ji. So he was a Shankaracharya of Govardhan Peeth, that is Jagannath Puri in Odisha. So please write down, and you should always remember that Jagat Guru Swami Bharti Krishna Tirath Ji Maharaj is the founder of Vedic mathematics and is known as father of Vedic mathematics. Yes, Khushi, please write down.
Guru.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you'll remember now. One should
Sir,
remember
can you repeat?
father of Vedic mathematics
Yes,
is
sir.
Jagat Guru Swami Bharti Krishna Tirath Ji. Correct. One should remember because he gave us this beautiful, this magical subject. Otherwise, we would have crammed the tables and Tanish, you would have said, "Ki I need 5 minutes." So now, how much time you took? Yes,
So
Tanish.
only 20 to 30 seconds.
So
Right.
now 600 goes down to 20 seconds. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Good. So what is now Vedic mathematics? See, we should know what is this Vedic mathematics. Now this Vedic mathematics, you need to write down this definition also. It is a collection of techniques. It is a collection of techniques. Okay. Just hold on. So it is a collection of techniques or what we can call as formulas. In maths, we call it as formulas now.
Yes.
And
Yes, sir.
in a language of Vedic mathematics, we call it as sutras. So it is a collection of techniques, sutras, or what you can call it as formulas to solve mathematical arithmetics in faster way. So the definition itself says it helps to solve our mathematics easy and faster. Got it? So this is the major benefit also, easy, faster. Khushi, now easy and faster.
Yes, sir.
We'll learn better more. We'll learn more concepts of this. So Vedic mathematics is a collection of techniques, sutras, or formulas which helps to solve mathematics easy and faster. Correct? Now, how many formulas we have? We have 16 formulas, or what we call as 16 sutras and 13 sub sutras. So with the help of, you just need only 29 formulas and sub formulas, with the help of which you can solve anything. Let it be arithmetic, algebra, geometry, trigonometry, calculus, conics, organic chemistry, anything. You talk about any term, you can solve it. Now, don't you think, didn't you, why you are learning Vedic mathematics? Why you are attending this class? Yes, Khushi. Mama ne kaha.
Sir,
Why have you joined? Because I told you.
Why are you attending Vedic mathematics? What made you join this class?
it
Why you
helped me. It helped me to learn maths easily.
Who told you this thing earlier?
Mama, ma'am
Yes.
said.
Okay. Yes, Tanish. What made you do this class? Why you want to learn Vedic mathematics?
So to improve the skills of math.
But you were not aware about Vedic mathematics. So who told you that?
Yes, sir.
How did you get to know that this improves?
So my what else to do?
Okay, Vansh,
Yes, sir.
what made you think that we should learn this subject?
Sir, my mother.
Okay, so have you ever seen on Google or somewhere that this subject is useful?
No.
Just as your mother told you are doing it. Now you are feeling you'll get something out of this Vedic mathematics.
Yes, sir.
So how much do you feel there is a change in your speed? Like Tanish told 200 minutes to this and 200 seconds to this. How do you feel?
Yeah, I have changed very much. My calculations are growing faster.
Okay. Yes, Sanmita.
Yes, sir.
How do you, why did you join Vedic mathematics class, or why do you want to learn?
My mom made me join, but I really wanted to learn because I saw many videos of Vedic maths in YouTube, which made me very eager to learn.
Okay. So have you ever gone through this trick, this concept of tables earlier?
No, sir, not this way.
So which all concepts you have gone through?
I have only seen one video in which they explained, about the unit places.
Mm-hmm.
They multiply the unit places and they get the answer.
Multiplication with 11. You're talking about multiplication with 11?
Sorry, sir.
You're talking about
Yes,
multiplication
sir.
with 11. So you can multiply those numbers now. You remember, still remember, or forgot? You still remember that, or you forgot it? Okay, I think her network got disconnected. Okay, now why I ask you this question is, this concept is not in our curriculum till now. Still, this subject is gaining importance. Why? There might be something why we are after this subject, why your parents are forcing you to do this. So first understand this, why they are asking you to learn this thing. Khushi, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Very first advantage of Vedic mathematics, see, I'm not sure about Tanish and Vansh, but for you, when you'll grow up to third or fourth standard or fifth standard, this subject will be added in our course. So by next year, it would be added because it is a part of our education policy, which says that Vedic mathematics has to be taught. So all of us who are already learning this will have a upper edge or will have an advantage of this. Correct. Now coming to the point, why we should learn Vedic mathematics. What is the advantage? So the very first advantage is it helps to solve our mathematical problems 10 to 15 times faster. See, now, just now you saw how our speed increased. Yes or no? Do you know why it increased, Tanish? Why our speed increased? I'll give you the reasons behind this. See, how do you write? Yes, Khushi, कैसे लिखते हैं आप? How do you write? Left to right.
Sir.
Tanish,
Sir, left to right.
how do you read?
So left to right.
Left
Sorry
to
for,
right.
But when we come to the mathematical calculation, we go from right to left. Why?
Yes,
We
sir.
first solve unit place, then we solve tens place, then we go 100 place. And this is why our speed get decreased, because our brain is, see, we have a habit, we do all the things from left to right. Only when it comes to the point of mathematical calculation, we go the reverse way. So when you are doing everything from left to right, why one thing you go for right to left? This is a major reason why maths is slow. But with Vedic mathematics, you have this option, you have the flexibility. Either you can move from left to right or right to left. There is no problem. I'll show you now after this in the coming concept. So one major reason is our brain is not supporting that. But in Vedic mathematics, since the flexibility is there, our brain gets faster. Second major reason. Now, since the calculations are very simple, they become very simple either in a single step or very few steps. So our speed gets increased. Third thing, most of the calculations we do in mentally. दिमाग से कर रहे थे. We were just adding single digits, so that can be done mentally. We are not supposed to use any external paper or pen. We don't need it. So when we are doing something mentally, we don't need an external thing. We don't need a paper or a pen. Our speed will automatically increase. Fourth reason, when we are doing something mentally, that means some part we are keeping in our intellect, our brain. हम कुछ सोच के चलते हैं ना, एक नंबर हमने अपने दिमाग में रखा, and then second number we try to add or multiply. So that is that makes our left brain and right brain both activated. And people who have more logics, their left brain is active, and people who are more creative, their right brain is active. And this gives you both the brains get activated and you do the problems much faster. Theory mein bore ho gaye? We'll just take out your paper and pen again, and we'll do calculations for again. Yes. So you all know, if any single digit number is multiplied with 11, so I'm just starting from single digit. It's for you, Khushi. They all know. So if 1 is multiplied by 11, it will always give me 11. And if 2 is multiplied, it will give me this number written twice. Similarly, if it is 9, it gives me 99. So single digit 11 is such a number which will replicate the number itself. This you have done it. You know 11 table, na Khushi?
Yes, sir, I
Yes,
know.
sir.
Okay. Now tell me, if I have to multiply 12 with 11, what will I get?
Mm,
Yes, Tanish? Vansh? Sanmita? I think you have done this. Huh?
Sir, 132.
How it come?
You multiply.
Yes, you multiplied and you got the answer. But I'll give you a simple concept of 11 today. A very simple concept. You don't have to multiply also. Sanmita, are you back? Sanmita? No, this is Lipika.
Yes, sir.
Or who is this? Sanmita or Lipika?
Sanmita, sir.
Okay, you have done this concept.
Sir, actually, I had internet issues. Actually, power was
Okay, no,
not
not an
there,
issue.
so I
Now we are
just-
starting with the concept of multiplication with 11 and its multiples. So whenever a two-digit number
sir.
is to be multiplied by 11, now what is to be done? See, Tanish, first digit as it is, last digit as it is, and in between add the two digits. Tanish, Vansh,
Yes.
did you see how much time you take to calculate? You were doing twice multiplication and then one time addition. Here you are just writing the digits as it is. Another example, 23 into 11. 2 as it is, 3 as it is, 2 plus 3 gives me 5. 26 multiply by 11, 2 as it is, 2 plus 6 gives me 8 and 6 as it is. Yes, Tanish, is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Vansh,
Yes, sir.
Khushi, this is just magic, beta.
Okay, sir.
Just you have to add two digits. Where are you now? Yes, Sanmita, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So can you do 35 into 11?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Yes, sir.
35 into 11.
Yes, Khushi, can you do?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Yes, sir. I will tell.
Tell, beta. Yes, Tanish.
35 into 11. Write the first number.
yes.
3.
Where
What is the
I should
answer,
write?
beta?
That's
3.
Sir,
385.
385.
3 plus 5.
So how easy
3
it
plus
is? You have, without knowing the table of 11 or 35. See, if I'm multiplying these two numbers, so either I'm using a table of 35 or I'm using a table of 11.
Yes, sir.
But without remembering the tables, I'm just adding the digits.
Sir, it is 385.
Now, you told me you don't know the table of numbers more than 5. Now it is table of 35. How can you do now? Okay,
Sir,
another
I learned.
27 into 11.
27.
Fast. We should be fast enough now.
Two.
Sir,
Deepika,
290.
do you know this
Sir,
concept?
29.
No, 297.
Sir, it is 297.
Very good. Now that means you know the table of 27 also.
Current was 7
Okay. 36.
Number వస్తుంది. 36.
Yes.
Fast.
Sir, 396.
Are you not?
396.
Are you not able? See, if you have to find this on calculator, you'll write 39, then you'll write 36, then you'll press
36.
multiplication, then you'll press 11. And before that, you are answering this. So you're not getting faster than calculator.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
44.
Sir, 484.
लिपिका
44. 484.
ये पता है आपको 11
484, sir.
It is
Huh?
484.
लिपिका ये मालूम है आपको
కాన్సెప్ట్ అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి చెప్పి
लिपिका कैन यू डू दिस ये आता है ये बताऊं
ఫస్ట్ నంబర్ సేమ్ లాస్ట్ నంబర్
Sir, can you please check it?
సేమ్ యాడ్ చేసే నంబర్
आवाज नहीं आ रहा है आपका थोड़ा जोर से बोलो
Sir, can you teach? I don't know.
okay see 12 into 11
into 11
and two digit number is to be multiplied by 11 first digit as it is last digit as it is in between add the two so 1 plus 2 क्या देता है
4 plus 8 12.
12.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
See, 23.
Yes,
So 2 as it is, 2 plus 3 gives me. Yes, Lipika, bolo fir. Read. And 3 as it is.
6, sir.
Two numbers are children. 23. YouTube.
So everyone clear now? 40. Okay, one more. 45 into 11.
Sir, 495.
It's now you're getting faster than a calculator.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
that means you don't need a calculator for multiplication. Got it? Yes, Lipika, samajh aaya?
Yes, sir.
Any
Sir, how
doubt?
much?
Any doubt? Just practice 2 sums, then I'll give you another concept. 63 into 11. Khushi, what is 63 into 11?
690.
693.
Oh, Teri, you know the table of 63 also. And Lipika,
So what happens when you get a double digit number in between?
yes, I'm coming. Wait. Yes, Lipika,
Sir, 693.
Tanish, Sanmita,
Sir, 693.
everybody is clear? Anyone has doubt
Yes.
now? Okay,
No, sir, no.
let me give you one question now. What is 64 into 11 then?
Sir, 6,104.
Who gave this answer?
Sanmita.
104.
Yes, Tanish, Vansh, Khushi, answer.
Sir, 704.
What should you do?
Think first, then I'll tell you. Vansh,
Sir,
Sir,
we should
704.
carry forward 1.
अच्छा मम्मा ने बोल दिया.
No, sir. In school, ma'am
No,
told.
I just told her the answer, but she told me you can't write 2 digits. I told, so she
Okay.
told me.
See, remember this thing, Lipika, everybody. 6 as it is. Now what is to be done? 6 and 4 is 10. See, I told you initially, you cannot have 2 digits at one position. I told you. Can 2 people sit on one chair? Khushi, you told me you cannot have 2 digits at one place value. Yes or no?
Yes.
Then what should we do?
We should carry forward to one number.
Yes, so we'll just carry forward this to here. So it will give me 704. Sanmita, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Vansh?
Yes.
Vansh, you are not trying. Tanish, how did you do?
So
Just this number.
you
6043.
92 into 11.
So let's practice this also. 73 into 11.
Sir, 803.
Yes. Others?
803.
Good. Lipika, you got the answer 803? Clear about this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sanmita?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is 97 into 11 then?
Sir, 1067.
So you are going faster than a calculator. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Because writing on a in that it will take time, but you are moving far faster.
1067 answer.
Good. The only thing I am asking you, is it improving your speed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Khushi, you were able to do this?
Yes, sir.
My daughter's name is also Khushi.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. So you are able to do this 97?
Yes.
Okay. Let's come to 3-digit number. Okay, last. The biggest 2-digit number is? Yes, Khushi.
Sir, 99.
99, sir.
99.
Solve it.
99 into 11.
Sir, 1089.
1089. Sir, 1089.
Okay.
So 1089.
So any problems in this?
No, sir.
No,
No.
sir.
So should we move further to 3-digit numbers?
Yes.
Khushi. Too much Khushi. See now. This was 9, 18, and 9. So 1089. Now coming to a 3-digit number, let's say a very simple number first, 1, 2, 3. Still, the concept is same. First digit as it is, last digit as it is. Now we have to make pairs. First add these two numbers. What is 1 plus 2?
Sir,
3. Then 2 plus 3 is 5. So the answer is 1353. Is it fast enough?
yes.
How fast?
Sir, very fast.
So that is how your speed gets increased.
Sir, I didn't understand. Can you once explain again?
Who is this?
Sir, I'm Sanmita.
See Sanmita. 1, 2, 3. First number as it is, we say, correct?
Yes, sir.
Last digit as it is, we say.
Yes, sir.
Now we have to make pairs because it was 11. So we have to make pairs. So 1 plus 2 gives me.
3.
And then leave first digit, then other 2 digits give me.
5.
So this is the answer.
5.
1353.
Okay, sir.
1, 4, 2. Try this. Everyone try 142.
1562.
Kushi, were you able to do 123?
562, sir. 1562, sir.
Yes, sir.
1000.
So 1562.
So that means you are able to do it verbally.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Sir.
Sir, it
Anyone?
is 1562.
You did or mama did?
Sir, Mama did.
Then it is wrong. You should do. You practice. I'll give you homework. You
Okay,
practice.
sir.
You'll be able to do. Not a big issue. Correct?
Okay, sir.
Good. Then comes, okay, one last easy, then tough.
Thousand eight 92, sir.
Sir, 1897. Sorry, 189.
So 1892.
Everybody got this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Good. So now, do you still feel ki your speed is not increased? Yes, Kushi, speed increased or not?
Sir, little.
Acha, little. Very good. You are able to solve table of 172 and saying little. Yes, Lipika. Okay. Tanish. Yes, Tanish. So it's almost 1 hour 25 minutes. How many of you got bored? Yes, Khushi, बोर हो गए? 1.5 घंटा हो गया?
Sir, it's too interesting.
Tanish, बोर हो गए? Did you feel bored? Vansh,
no, sir.
Sanmita?
Not at all, sir.
Okay. Now tough one. 167.
Sir, 1837.
1837, sir.
So 1837.
How
Sir,
you did?
1837.
Got it? So see, what we did, 1 as it is, 7 as it is, then 13 was there, so we had to move that. So now the concept is clear. Okay. Another thing, 189.
Sir, 2079.
Others?
Yes, sir.
If you're not able to do verbally, write down the one step in between. No issues. You are still learning. So not to worry at all.
2079, sir.
Got it? Okay.
2079.
If I make it 789, then Khushi is bored now.
Sir, 816.
No, sir.
8. Yes, tell me.
Sir, I'm doing. I got one wrong. Sir, 8679.
Sir, yes, sir. 8679.
Okay. So clear with the concept now? Or
Yes,
still any
sir.
doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So what was the topic? The topic was multiplication with 11 and its multiples. We have not done multiples yet. Correct? But where did we do multiplication? Yes, Tanish. Where did we do multiplication? Khushi, did you do multiplication in this?
Yes, sir.
Where was multiplication?
Sir,
Which numbers you multiplied?
sir,
No. See, we never did multiplication. We were adding corresponding numbers.
okay.
And we were not calculating from left to right. Sorry, we were calculating from left to right, not right to left. Did you observe this? 1, 2, 3.
Yes, sir.
So I was doing 1, 3, 5, 3. I was not going this way. I was going this way. And this is the reason my speed was more. So whenever you do this way verbally, see now if I ask you what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11. So you'll automatically in the mind it says 1, 3, 5, 5, 7, 9, 5. So fast because your mind, you'll work as per your mind if. Okay. So one thing was we were doing only single digit addition. Second is we were moving from left to right. Don't you think it is magic? Multiplication we were supposed to do and we were just adding numbers. And that to single digit numbers. So this is the magic.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So all ready for the test?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So 26 into 22. Yes, Khushi, do it. Tanish, Vansh.
Sir, it is bit difficult to me.
No problem. Whatever you know, whatever steps you know, you do up till that. Yes, Lipika.
Okay, sir.
Sanmita, Tanish,
Yes, sir.
please do it.
572, sir.
Sir, 570.
How?
572, sir.
How?
I broke 22 into 2 into 11.
Okay.
So then I multiplied 2 into 26. Then after that, the method which you taught, I did that. Then I got.
Okay. Who else? Lipika.
Sir,
How do you do? See, very simple. Don't get confused by this. I have taught you 11. A teacher will train you in one point, but question will come differently in paper. So it's very simple. It is 26 into 2 into 11 basically. So by 11, we all know the trick. So let's multiply this first. So it becomes 52 and 11. So then it is 572. Is it clear?
Yes.
Anyone else? Now, Khushi, is it clear to you?
No, sir.
See, this 22 is basic. What is 22? You know table of 11.
Yeah.
So what is this? 2 into 11.
2 and 2.
2 11s.
No problem. Don't worry. We have done 2 into 11 here. Then we interchange. We multiplied this with this to make faster mental calculation. Correct? Okay. We'll don't
Yes, sir.
problems later again tomorrow. I'll give you homework. So how many of you got bored in this 1.5 hours class? First tell me this.
Sir,
And
sir, I did not got bored.
but I will allow you tomorrow if you do homework. Otherwise, I will not allow you.
Okay, sir, I will do.
So I'll allow only then if you'll do homework. I'll share homework. It is on the page. I'll tell you the links. Not an issue. Correct?
Okay, sir.
And, okay. So this was what we did. I'll just share you the screen again.
Sir,
So whenever multiplication with 11 and its multiple comes, it is very simple. First write the first number, last number, and in between add the numbers. So 37 was done, 67 was done. And then we did 267 can be done. Yes, we did 3-digit also. So this was not to test you. I have given you only other numbers, but this also can be done. 141 into 22. So this is how you'll do. So we are actually adding corresponding digits rather multiplication, and we are calculating from left to right rather right to left. Now another reason why should you learn Vedic mathematics, because it has removed your burden. It has removed or not? Yes, Khushi, no need to learn tables now.
No need to learn tables now.
If you don't,
no, sir.
you need not to learn tables, so burden is removed now.
Yes, sir.
Now you can write any table in a 10 seconds, 20 seconds. So why to cram those tables? Why to remember those big tables?
Yes.
She is looking like you. See, sleeping on the books. And we'll discuss this tomorrow, and we'll tell you all the other benefits also, and how your concentration level can increase. How to, so many things are left, but first I'll give. So do you think any disadvantage now? Yes, it is. You may not like the calculators now. Got it?
Yes, sir.
No need of calculators now. And your speed has become faster. See, when you are multiplying with 11 or a bigger number with 11, your speed is more than calculator, because you cannot type on calculator in the time in which you can find the answer. So your friends would be jealous of you today. Just tell them this trick: 11, 9, and other tables. So you can come with your doubts tomorrow. I'll just give you homework. I'll share homework on the WhatsApp itself, and we can do further. So any doubts,
Okay, sir.
you can feel free to get in touch anytime. You can connect to me. But I'll have classes, so after 8 I'll be free. So once I'm free, you can send me a message. I'll let you know. Correct? Any doubt now? Yes, Lipika, Khushi, any doubt?
No, sir.
No,
Lipika,
sir.
No, sir.
No doubt.
I'll share this video. So you see the video if you have any doubt. Still, if you have any doubt, tomorrow we'll solve every doubt. Correct? Yes, Tanish.
Sir,
Any doubt?
thank you.
Tanish, any doubt?
No, sir.
Vansh,
No, sir. No.
Tanmita.
No, sir.
Okay, so just complete your homework. Once you will do the homework, then every doubt would be cleared itself. Correct? I'll be sharing the notes and homework. Correct? Chalo, take care. Practice, keep on practicing, and you'll be faster than calculators. Okay, then.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye,
Okay,
sir.
sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.